Hey guys, Donnie here, and welcome to Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today I wanted to do just one recap of several that I'm going to do later on in other videos, but I wanted to show you this one because I thought it was pretty cool. As I was working the booth over at Vantop Technologies at the CES, I was over in Central Hall, and a couple of young gentlemen that were engineers happened to show up, wanted to do a little test flight with one of the drones I was showing there in the booth, and we got talking, and this is the reason why I'm making this video. He had some really cool technology he was sharing with me. It's a glove that you can actually put on that has sensors in it, and you can control your DJI Spark or your Mavic Pro. He also has it programmed for a few other drones like the Parrot Mambo, and so he brought the Spark with me. We took it in the booth. I tried the glove on, and it was really cool, guys. I gotta admit, I got a short little video clip. It wasn't from my recorder, so the video clips are going to be different sizes because one of the fellow workers there from Vantop went and took the video. But I just want to show you this quick clip. These guys are from Norway, Magnus and Sondre. It's Arveng Technologies, and I'll leave a link in the description to their website, and they also have Instagram and YouTube. So let me show you those clips and we'll go over that, and I hope you guys enjoy, so stay tuned for that.
Alright, here I am with Magnus, and we're just testing out one of the toy drones there at Vantop Technology, also known as Snaptane on Amazon, for the toy drone part of it, of their company. And this is where we're talking about the HuMI glove. So the glove is just pretty cool, guys. We're talking about it right here, and once it gets done flying, he gets it out and brings out the Spark. So once we get the Spark out, you'll see in the video. I'm starting to go and put the glove on, get the feel for it. We power it up, and he gets the app going. He's got an app set up on there, and then what we got to do first is calibrate the glove, which is different hand gestures to get it calibrated. And once we get it all calibrated, then we can go ahead and send it up in the air. You can also shut off the yaw on there, so that way for practice mode you can just bring the drone up and down, or you can make it go left, right, forward, and back with just hand gestures. The yaw the drone, what we're doing is, once he turns that on, is just using your thumb. So if you lift your thumb up, it'll make it yaw to the right. By putting your thumb down, it makes it yaw to the left. So what you got to do is keep your thumb straight, keep your hand relaxed, and if you go and lift your fingers up, it'll make the drone go up. And then if you start to close your hand but keep your thumb straight, it'll start bringing the drone down, and then you can move your thumb up or down to yaw the drone. So as in range, I don't know this right at the moment, but like I said, if you guys look in the descriptions at the end of the video, you can see their website. I'll link that in there, and also I'll link in their YouTube channel and Instagram, so you guys could check it out for yourself, or maybe send them some questions, so that way they can answer some of the stuff that I can on here. So I just wanted to thank Arveng Technologies for bringing that glove by. I appreciate you guys letting me take the Spark for a test flight with it. The HuMI Smart Glove, guys, check it out. I'll leave the links in the description. You can check out their website their Instagram, and also they have a small YouTube channel just starting out. So that way you can see the rest of the guys working for the company and the engineers, and any questions you guys can be able to write them and find out what kind of range it's going to have, and you know, some more details about it. So alright guys, always a pleasure having you guys watching. Wanted to thank Vantop Technologies for flying me out to the CES, and like always guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.